Hi everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the SketchBox Premium Box for January 2020. The art on the outside, this lovely apple here, is by Rebecca Malkin, and her Instagram is at rebecca.rocket. Now that we've looked at the outside of the box, let's look at what's inside. First, we have our monthly sticker. Next, we have our little printout that features art using the supplies in this month's box. The featured artist for January 2020 is Todd Saul. If you want to see more of his work, please go to www.toddsaul.com. Very cool. I like how expressive this is. And as always, we have our menu that lets us know exactly what's inside. It looks like the theme for this month is some watercolor. The first items I have are two Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolor paints, and they are normally $4.99 each. This month is all about reverse watercolor. Talk about a break from the norm. This box is all about layering light shades to create a watercolor piece on black paper. First up, we included two of our favorite economical watercolor tubes from Winsor & Newton. Mix them with the titanium white to add opacity when working on the black paper. I'm actually really excited because I've been meaning to try some black watercolor paper, but I kept putting it off. The fact that it came in this month's box makes me very happy. It should be a fun experiment, and it will be interesting to see how this works out because it's the opposite of how watercolor painting normally works. And as you can see, the colors that we got with the Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolors are of the phthalo blue and lemon yellow hue. I love using blue and yellow, so that will also be nice. Next we have a Finetech SketchBox Metallic Dark Teal, and the retail price for this is $7.99, and this is an exclusive color. We worked with Finetech to create a brand new color formulation only available in this box. We love the way this metallic watercolor looks on the black paper, and it can be mixed with the other colors to add some shine to your finished art. I've also wanted to try out some metallic watercolors, but never really wanted to invest and try to decide exactly what color I would want to play with. So that is also exciting. I haven't even started making anything yet, and I'm pretty happy with what's in here in the phase of, hey, this is stuff I wanted to work with that I have not quite gotten the chance to yet. The white we have been using this whole time in these swatches is by M. Graham Watercolor, and it is titanium white. The retail price for this is normally $14.99, and this is a staff favorite. Titanium white is the most opaque white watercolor available. Mix it with your other colors to add opacity and to brighten layers of the black watercolor paper. It is definitely more opaque than I thought it was going to be. Obviously, since we got paint, we got to get a brush too, right? The brush we got this time is a silver brush, crystal 3/8" angle short brush. And the retail price of this is normally $5.10. This brush is great for layering opaque washes to lighten the dark paper. It can make thick or thin strokes depending on the angle you hold it. Multi-diameter filament heads are designed to enhance color, carrying capacity, and maintain a perfect shape. Next we have an Uchida Reminisce gel pen in white. The retail price for this is normally $1.49. Use this 1mm gel pen to add highlights, creative line work, or details to reverse watercolor pieces this month. I used this gel pen for all of the writing and did a couple of different swatches with it. It is also a bit more opaque than I thought it was going to be. I think it worked out fairly nicely given the fact that I'm using it on black paper. Which means it should work over the paint well too. The final item, which we have seen this entire time, is some black paper. It is Legion Stonehenge Aqua Cold Press Black Paper, and the retail price is $12.99. Black paper is not a new invention, but black 100% cotton paper for watercolors is. As soon as we tested this paper, we knew we had to build a box around it. The November Wash Supplies also works great with this unique paper. I like that they're letting you know that so that you can use stuff that came in these separate boxes together. I always enjoy that. So far, I enjoy the feel of this paper. As we all know, I am a paper nerd, and the feeling, the touch, the sensation of the paper is very important to me. It feels nice and thick and heavy, it feels like it can take a lot of paint, and it feels like it can handle someone like me, who is rough on paper. So this is everything that came in this month's box. I think it's a banging way to start the new year. I am very excited to try the items that came in this month's premium sketch box. This video is just the unboxing. The next one will be a project playing around with the supplies, so stay tuned. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, please let me know in that comment section down below. Also let me know if you played around with any of this stuff before and how you felt about it. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!